Ka Frank Motors ka badai ka dealer jang ka Tata Motors passenger vehicles sa Meghalaya. Kalapli pat ba ya ka Next Gen Tata Tiago bat ka Next Gen Tata Tiago EV ha showroom jang ka hamolai. Hakani ka jing pli pat ba lapin ki kali hatchback batama jang ka Tata Motors ki ba wan bat ka dor ka ba itanan. Ki kot jing yarap ba minta ka jing shingan ka ba khambha bat ka dor ka ba yaham. Ka Next Gen Tata Tiago ka wan haki variant petrol bat ICNG ka ba itanan basuk banshong ko jing yarap ba start kat ba ka Tiago EV ka jing sok ha ka jing ya lenti electric high voltage battery bat ki wei. Kidor ki sedang ka Next Gen Tata Tiago ka long sau point henry po khandai lak kat ba ka Tiago EV ka sedang henry point khandai po khandai lang. Lapelat ikini ki kali do kongsan uba Shining Star Manlut Senior Manager ha ka jing ya dan lang ki wei ladan ka jing ot kek ka jing sa mi ki khusnam jang ki jing no senyang ba pher bat ki wei.
So you can take a seat, gentlemen. As a token of appreciation from live product demonstration and special launch offers and announcement for the announcement, I would like to request David Pynlait. Yeah.
And the better safety. The new Tiago is not just an upgrade, It's a complete evolution. It combines of premium styling, advanced features, and Tata Motors' commitment to safety, making it an ideal choice for first-time buyers, families, and a young professional alike. So, without much further delay, I'll just share the history of the Tata Tiago. It was first launched in the year 2016. Almost 10 years in the market, 7 lakhs plus units were sold so far. Is that good? Is that great? Let me hear your voice. Is that great? Okay. And hence the Tiago.ev was launched in 2022. After just 4 years in the market, 75,000 plus units were sold so far. In the market, where many OEMs are overlooking for entry-level hatchbacks in favors of the SUVs, Tata Motors has chosen a different path. The Next Gen Tata has been developed to raise the benchmark by delivering features, safety, and value that exceed expectations in the segment. So, I'll just explain a bit about the features in the exterior. The new Tiago has got the large-screen LED headlamps and also the sporty white front grille, halide connected lamps, sharp fin antenna with GPS, and also
and valued customers, our media partners, our incredible friend of this family. We are so happy. Thank you so much for joining us today. Your trust is what style and substance. Over 7 lakhs happy customers all over India are proof of that. And today, this next gen new build design with smart technology and also with a superior comfort. We are not here just launching a car. We are launching 1,000